All right, so I was at the welding supply store today. Against my better judgment of buying a MIG torch from the welding supply store, but I said, let me give it a shot. You know, I know I'm going to pay 4 times what I can buy it online for. So of course they don't stock it, and they don't have the custom bend that I have on it because I have preferences when I'm welding with bends. So I have a custom bend on mine that gets me into every place I need to, tight and otherwise. So they don't stock the OEM styles for the 180T anymore. It's another style, and none of your consumables will fit. That's great. Well, I have 3 Miller machines in my shop. What am I going to do? Put $1,000 worth of MIG whips on all of them and then convert all the hardware? Not. I'm going right online and ordering a $50 whip. It's crazy. Why couldn't they just leave the MIG whips exactly the same? It doesn't make any sense. I mean, this has been almost 30 years of this style, and then now the whips aren't the same, and the tips aren't the same, and the contact tips aren't the same, and the diffusers aren't the same. What the fuck, man? Every time you try and do something, it's another angle someone's got to try and get more money out of you. All right, have a nice day. So if you're going to the welding supply store and they don't have your old style torch, be prepared to either buy something you don't want or go online and buy what you want. Thanks for watching.